Hey you guys, it's Miss Black here, and I am super excited about this video today. It is going to be an unboxing and a first impressions video of a wig that I received from Terra Beauty. I just can't wait to install this hair because it's so beautiful and luscious and gorgeous, honey. But I want to show you for myself and really just give you my initial thoughts on it. I'm not gonna install it as of yet. If you don't know, if you don't follow my channel, please do. You'll find out that I am 100% natural. So right now what you see is my hair completely silked all the way out. And once this style is done, I'm gonna be washing it, braiding it up, and then installing this beautiful hair. But until then, let's get into what my initial thoughts were. So this is the box that it came in. First off, let me just say that the shipping was so much quicker than what I expected. Probably 3 to 4 business days and it was at my door. So fast shipping, I really like that. As you can see, this hair is their full lace wig and it is 100% unprocessed natural human hair, which is important. We don't like synthetic hair over here, okay? So, let's get inside this box. Oh, also I want to mention, I like the fact that it's in this box versus a smaller box or even a bag that some companies might give, because if you're like me, you don't just wear the style and the texture that it came. You want to do your own curls, maybe straighten it out, do some flexi rod sets, whatever you want to do. I like the fact that I can style this hair and then lay it down flat without it being messed up or anything like that. So I like the box, and it's also nice for storing away and keeping nice and organized too. Okay, so I want to show you guys what the cap construction is looking like on this. So what we have here are 3 combs and an adjustable strap. So there's 2 combs on the side, one here near the temples, and then one for the nape of the neck right here. And then also there is an adjustable strap, if you can see here, just in case you got a small head like me and you got to tighten it up. I'm gonna use this. And then in terms of the parting space in the front of the lace, you got a decent amount of space. Now I don't know how much space this is because I didn't see any specs about that on the website. Same thing with the density of the hair. I didn't see any specs on that either, but I'm going to assume that it's not too full, which I personally like because the more natural it looks, the better. I want it to look like it's growing out of my scalp. You feel me? So I can assume that this is 150% density, which is good. You know, I like that. And then also in terms of the shedding, no shedding in this, none. I was brushing this for a minute and look, just a few stragglies, nothing out of the normal. Yeah, oh my goodness, this hair is so beautiful. I cannot wait to install this. My next wash day, I'm gonna braid my hair up and install this bad boy. I cannot wait. And her name is Electra. And again, 24 inches. Just for some perspective, I'm not gonna put this on because I did not wash it yet. And rule of thumb, anything you get from anywhere, wash it. Wash it. Okay? With sulfate shampoo. Strip it if you can, and then rehydrate it with some conditioner. So just to give you guys some perspective, this is 24 inches long and I'm 5'10", so I'm on the taller side. And the picture shows that it's gonna fall on this lady's like armpit length. I'll hold it up to my head so you can kind of see. Oh my god, this is so pretty. I cannot wait to put this on. Yeah, so I mean, this is as good as it gets without actually putting it on, just to see how it's flowing. So I think maybe it'll fall a little bit lower on me than the picture. I'm not too sure, but you know, stay tuned for the next video to see how I install it. I'm also gonna do another video on how I wash it. So let me just show you guys what the hairline looks like, because I know that's what everybody wants to see. What that hairline do though, right? All right, so let's see. I'm gonna kind of put this on my wrist so you guys can see. Can you guys see that? Okay, so just looking at this hairline, I can definitely work with this. I can tell a little bit of it was plucked already, but I'm definitely gonna go in there with some tweezers and do some more plucking to make it look natural and try not to go overboard with it. And then these black dots here that I'm pointing out, I'm gonna go ahead and bleach those so that they're less apparent. And in terms of the net, it's a very pretty color. It's almost transparent. So I'm really excited to put this on, to be honest. So in terms of first impressions of this wig, I think this wig is beautiful. The luster is beautiful, the density, the color is perfect. It's a natural 1B color. The lace, I'm definitely gonna have to customize this lace to my liking. I'm gonna bleach the knots and pluck it some more before I even go about cutting the lace and putting it on. But I'm so excited to do it. And if you guys want to see more videos, my next video is going to be me washing it and bleaching it and plucking it before the install. So if you guys want to see more, definitely subscribe to my channel, Miss Black, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.